Welcome to the tutorial on creating and managing places. In this tutorial, we'll learn the purpose of places, how to create a place, how to manage and edit places, and saving places for later use. In contrast to the Layers panel, which shows pre-existing datasets, the Places panel is a home for custom objects that you create within your map session, such as text annotations and other drawn objects like lines and polygons, plotted coordinates, saved measurements, and any individual features you have selected from existing data layers via a search or query. This last option copies a feature from the existing data into Places. From here, you can choose your own symbology to highlight a particular feature as you wish, for example, for use in a mining permit application. Each place is stored as an individual feature and will last in your map for the duration of your session. If you wish, you can easily preserve your places for repeat use by logging in and saving your map. A quick way to create a new place is to run a search. We'll first search for a local government boundary. When you see your result, click on the Add to Places button. This will make a copy of your search result in Places. Similar to Layers, you can turn the visibility of your feature on and off. But with Places, you can also customize its appearance, including fill color and opacity and outline width in this example. You can also add a label to your map and edit it as you wish. Places also has options to run a spatial query from your object, zoom to your feature, if relevant, open in 360-degree view, or add a buffer. For this example, we'll add a buffer. From here, you might want to create a printable map by clicking the Print button. Or you could save your map for later use, for example as a template for further new maps. Maybe take it offline, or share your map in a workflow with colleagues or customers. Remember that results from searches and queries saved into Places are copies of the data, and they're not live. So if you've copied from layers that get updated regularly, such as cadastre or mining permits, you may need to periodically update any places you have saved into a map. Now we'll look at creating places using the drawing tools. First, we'll zoom to our general location by doing a search. In this example, we'll plot some known coordinates for a new permit application. On the toolbar, select the Coordinate tool. Choose the coordinate system, enter your values, add a relevant name, and click Add to Places. Repeat these steps for all of your coordinates. If needed, adjust your map to show your points on the map. Open the Places panel to view your new points. By default, these are stored under My Places. You may wish to move these to a new group with a more meaningful name, and you can do this by clicking Edit Places. Then select Add Group and enter a name. Select Append next to the group name and add in your points using the plus button. You can now remove duplicate points individually or as a group using the respective minus buttons. Click Done when finished. From here, we can also adjust the appearance for the whole group, including visibility, labeling, and symbology. In this example, we'll adjust the symbology to show crosses instead of circles. From here, you could also download your group into a CSV file as a list of coordinates, for example, for use in a permit application. Now we'll add a measurement to places using the Measurement tool. we'll use the line tool to measure between two corner points. Click once to start and double-click to finish. Then click Save Measurement. In the Places panel, note your measurement is now saved and the length appears in the attributes. Now we'll add a polygon to represent the permit area. Simply select the Draw Polygon tool and carefully plot between your coordinate points. Double-click when finished and review the results, both on the map and in Places, noticing the area attribute in particular. If needed, you can edit your polygon to match a desired area value, noting the area attribute will update dynamically. Click Done to save your changes, or Cancel to undo. Another option for plotting your polygon is by reloading your CSV file of coordinates as a layer. Go to Layers, Add My Data, and select your file. Choose all rows as one polygon, the correct projection, and click Import. Your polygon is automatically added to Layers. Note you can't edit the shape of your polygon with this option, so you need to be sure of your coordinates prior to loading. Refer to the online help for further details on this topic. Now we'll use the Draw Line tool to plot an access route to our permit. Click to start and then plot along the desired route. Double-click when finished. Review the result in Places and give it a meaningful name. Now we'll identify land parcels that the access route crosses. First, ensure that the Cadastre or DCDB layer is turned on in your map. Then click Query Layers using this place. Select the DCDB tab in the Results window and review the data. You can select and download these records for reference, for example, for use in a new mining permit application. Finally, we'll add some descriptive text to our map using the Draw Text tool. Now we can review our map and all the items we've added to Places. From here, you may wish to click Print to create a printable map. Or save your map and share it as part of a workflow with colleagues or customers through email or another platform. This concludes the tutorial. If you would like more detailed information, please check the FAQs and other tutorials in this series.